Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm Becca. I'm a mom to 5 kiddos. My husband and I live in Florida. I'm taking you along for 31 days and I'm going to give you 31 reasons we want to keep our homes clean and decluttered so that the mess is less and the motivation stays high. So I hope wherever you are, if you're cleaning along with me, if you are just watching for some motivation to get your house cleaned, I hope this does everything you need to get yourself ready to tackle your own house.
Even on the hard days. Yeah. Some days it feels like nothing is changing, like the mess just keeps rearranging. You try your best but it still feels slow, and you wonder if it even shows. But I see the effort that no one sees, the quiet moments that in between one small step and another one done, that still counts as getting it.
So in the beginning of this month, we had just added on another room into our house. Our house is fairly small as a family of 7, so we decided to add on another room for our oldest so that she could have another room, and then our youngest sleeps in there as well at nighttime, and it has been a really smooth transition.
It doesn't have to be all at once. Progress is built from the smallest stuff. Even on the tough days, you're still moving forward, even when it feels like
I feel like one of the smartest things I did when it came to this very large table, I love it because it fits everybody around, but I got this clear plastic coat topping. I don't know what you call it, but it's a table topper and it makes it so I can easily wipe up the wood without leaving stains and all of the things. So I got a deep clean one day and then I put this clear plastic over it and it makes it just so much more easy to wipe down.
going slower. Every little thing that you let go, it speaks you're learning how to hold. You're still making progress, don't lose your way. Even if it doesn't look like change today, less in your hands, more peace in your mind. Oh, 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 you're doing better every time. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 minimizing what you thought you needed, learning what's worth keeping, what's completed. It's not easy letting things go, but you're stronger than you know. Some days you clear just a tiny space, other days you...
I also added these little labels onto the girls' clothes, and I don't really know if it made a difference or not. I don't go in there as often as I probably could and check on their clothes, but we fold them and then they go in there and put their clothes where they go. They do a fairly good job, and I've minimalized their clothing items to about a 7-day cycle so they can have a full outfit, and then we can rotate every week. So I'm still doing laundry almost every single day as a large family of 7, but it is way less than it used to be. We only keep the items we're actually wearing and the items we actually need.
Can't keep the pace, but every choice to start again is where the real change begins. Yeah, be patient with the process you're in. You don't have to rush to win. Even on the tough days, you're still moving forward, even when it feels like you're going slower. Every little thing that you let go is space you're learning how.
We're 7 months into our homeschooling and it has been going so great. I don't do one set curriculum. I book hop with my kids and we just explore the things that my children are into, and we're doing lots of field trips and just nature learning, and we're learning about the U.S. history and all sorts of things. So I'm really wanting to give them a hands-on learning experience. I just think it's so important. So that's a goal right now as we are homeschooling, and it's just been beautiful. I really have been enjoying it.
Oh, you're still making progress, don't lose your way. Even if it doesn't look like change today, less in your hands, more peace in your mind. Oh, 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 you're doing better every time. Oh, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. It's not about perfect, it's about steady. You're becoming someone who's more ready to live lighter, breathe deeper too, and that's what this is doing for you. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Even on the tough days, you still becoming bigger when it feels like nothing is coming in. Forward is forward, even small. You're still rising through it
Let's go. Yeah, walk in the kitchen like what's all that? Toys on the floor, gotta fix that fast. Laundry mat on stack way back. But we ain't stressing, we can clean that. One little step, then another like that. Music turned up with a trash backpack. Declutter more so the mess is less. Whole house glowing now, look at that.
5-minute reset, don't hold back. One wipe down and we on track. Don't need perfect, remember that. Little by little we clean like whoa.
Clean that, tight that. Pick it up and then stack that. Sweep that, wipe that. Whole room fresh and I love that. Fold that, move that. Donate what you don't use back. Less stuff, more peace. That's the vibe and we need that. Who not?
Kids running wild in a sinful too. Real life mama got stuff to do, but joy grows best in a simple view. Lighten the load and breathe right through. Closing shift at the end of the night. Counters clear and the mood feels right. God gave grace for another try. We don't quit, we just simplify.
Not about perfect, no. Progress over pressure, let it go. One small habit starts to grow. Now the whole house starts to flow.
Clean that, bless that, turn your house into rest, yeah. Less clutter, less stress. Now your home feels heaven sent. Reset, refresh, you are worthy, don't forget. One more song, one more round. Let's clean this whole thing top to ground.
Cut it.
Pick it up and then stack that. Sweep that, wipe that. Whole room fresh and I love that. Fold that, move that. Donate what you don't use back. Less stuff, more peace. That's the vibe and we need that.
Who not?
Try that, bless that. Turn your house into rest, yeah. Less clutter, less stress. Now your home feels heaven sent. Reset, refresh, you are worthy, don't forget. One more song, one more round. Let's clean this whole thing top to ground. Hold on.